Welcome! In this video, we will be demonstrating how to simulate a nanoparticle illuminated by a plane wave. We have set up a silicon sphere with a radius of 100 nanometers as our particle inside a three-dimensional computational domain. The source is a broadband plane wave illuminating from the bottom. To make the source visible, we can click the button here. We will be measuring the field in the XZ plane. By clicking the button here, we can toggle the visibility of the field monitor. We will also add a flux monitor to measure the absorption. We can change the size and the material of the particle in the Structures menu. We can also change the light sources and monitors here. We use PML as the boundary condition. The duration and resolution of the simulation can be updated here. With these settings, we are ready to run the simulation. Even though this is a three-dimensional simulation, it will only take a few seconds to finish. We will now move to the PostRun results to look at the simulation results. The absorption spectrum shows a resonant absorption peak at 580 nanometers. Switching to the field results, we can see the enhanced optical energy stored inside the particle at the resonant wavelength. Feel free to save the simulation to your project folder and run simulations for different particle sizes and materials.